So what's your due date?
My due date is August 20th.
Oh my gosh, that's
Yes.
so exciting.
All right.
Yay!
Yeah, Daniel was thinking it might happen this week.
Uh-huh.
So
yeah.
we're at the end of the week, so who knows? All right, let's put you on your stomach. How have you been doing?
I've been feeling good.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Cruised right through this. All right, so her sacrum's off a little bit on the right. All right, let's bring you up. Pull those pads out, and you'll lay on your side facing me. Bend that knee. All right, so adjust right there. Good. On your back. Okay, put your finger in your belly button. Release your round ligament a little bit. Have you even had any round ligament pain?
I've been having a little bit.
Yeah.
It's just occasionally, yeah.
Gotcha.
But it's not bad.
Yeah, it's good. Benefits of getting adjusted throughout your pregnancy.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right, give yourself a big hug. Lift your head up. Yeah. Well, hopefully you have a nice and smooth, easy delivery.
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. All right. We're ready to meet this little guy.
Yeah.
Go ahead and stand up and walk around a little bit.
Feels good.
All right.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, we can't wait to see him.